Hi guys, so I forgot to film an intro for this video. Just so you know, we are unboxing the October Boxy Charm and it is called the Alter Ego. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get back to the video. The first item in the box is from Ava Cosmetics. It is a superhero mascara. This is a $24 mascara. This mascara goes on really nice, builds really nice. I did wear it all day today and this is the end of the day. So I did notice that it does have a little bit of flaking, but I don't mind the flaking. If you know, I wear the Too Faced Better Than Sex, that flakes, so that's not a problem for me. The brush actually does really well to catch the lashes and thicken them and make them spread apart. So it's really nice if you want a volume boosting type of mascara. This says that it wraps your lashes and lengthens them. The elastic stretch technology and an ultra black tint makes for a thick and most defined lashes ever. So this is a $24 mascara. It's a great mascara. This one is a good mascara, but if you want a dupe for this one, you can go and get the one from Essence, and it is a Lash Princess. It's the green one, and I have done a dupe on this before, and I believe that this one is really similar to the one from Ava Cosmetics. So that is an option for you if you don't want to pay the $24 for a full size. The next thing I have is from Ava. I believe I'm saying that correctly. This is a hand cream. Mineral hand cream water. It has a strange scent to it, but it's a good hand cream. I used it today just to see if it's going to be something that I enjoy. This is a hand treatment. Treats your hands to a light and but luxurious rich hand cream that helps keep skin and cuticles healthy and protects from the elements. So this is a $10 hand cream if you purchase at the retail store. The scent of it is not my favorite. It almost smells kind of perfumey. It has a strange perfumey scent to it, so it's not my favorite, but I will use it because I do enjoy hand creams and it felt very nourishing when I put it on today. So the next thing I got in the box is from Pur Cosmetics Authority. It is the Midnight Masquerade palette, and this palette has 6 different shadows in it, a little mirror, and then it has 4 either blushes, highlighters, and more blushes, I would say. This is a $38 palette, and it has 1 matte within the whole palette, and then you have all your face stuff, and then you have your eye stuff here. I did use this today. It's the shadow that I have on right now. It's lasted really nicely throughout the day, and I like it. It's not bad at all. It does have a slight chocolatey scent to it, which I enjoy, so I'm really happy to have gotten this. It works really well, and it's really pretty. So if you purchase that on the website, it would be $38 for that. The next thing I got in the box is from Kat Von D, and it is her Everlasting Liquid Lipstick. This is in the color Bow and Arrow. This is a really pretty lipstick. I used it today. It's what I have on my lips now. I just reapplied it. It does not last everlasting. It came off at about, I would say 6 hours or so, but it did fade away really nicely, and it doesn't look bad when it fades away. Especially since it's kind of a darker brown color. So it's not a bad lipstick at all. It didn't feel over drying on my lips. I've heard a lot of things about these lipsticks that people say they're super over drying. I must have a tolerance for drying lipstick because I didn't have any problem with this one whatsoever. So this is a $20 lipstick if you bought it on the Kat Von D website, probably at Sephora, or you can pick it up at the Boxy Charm website as well. And the last thing I have in the box is from Biagio. I don't know if I'm saying that right. This is a Don't Despair Repair Strengthening Moisture Leave-In Mask. This actually is halfway full. This was open in my box when I got my box, so it was all over the place, which is not fun. So I did get a hold of BoxyCharm, and they're going to be sending me a new one. I don't care if they send me a new one either way. This is not a product that I would purchase on my own. This is a $20 or $16 product. I don't know if this is full size. It says 2 full ounces. It may be full size. I was looking it up this morning on Sephora's website to see if this is a full size product or not, and I could not tell because I didn't have this particular product on their website. So this is supposed to be for super moisturizing, strengthened leave-in conditioner, provides repair benefits and beyond. I could care less either way with this one. So like I said, it's halfway full. I might give it a try when I come out of the shower, but it's not something that I'm like excited about. Now, the other item in the other boxes that they sent out, which is like the secondary of this, which was an oil makeup remover, I wanted that product rather than this one. So now you know why I'm not too excited. This is just an okay, I'm glad I got it, but not too excited about it. So that was the last product that I got in my box. That was everything I got in my box. So let me go ahead and add this up really quick for you so we can see how much this box totaled out to. So my box actually totaled out to $108 this month, which isn't bad for BoxyCharm. You pay $21 a month. So I'm always excited because there's always something that I love within the box, and I do enjoy the eyeshadow palette, the mascara, the lipstick, the hand cream is okay, and then the hairspray stuff, I'm gonna try that out and see how it works for me. Let me know down below if this is something that you guys have tried out and what you think of it. If this is like your go-to hair treatment type stuff, because I only use certain hair care stuff. So when I get other hair care stuff in a box, I'm never too impressed with it. So let me know what your guys' thoughts are on that. But that was everything I got. Let me know what you got in your box this month. If you got that green oil cleanser, I'm super jealous of you, but maybe next time I'll get something that I want. And I know that I can use some Boxy Charms to get a clean and oil-based cleanser right now, so I may end up doing that. But like I said, that was everything I got in my box. Let me know what you got in your box this month, and I shall talk to you guys sometime within the week. Bye!